All right, good morning, geometry kids, or afternoon or evening. I guess you could be watching this whenever. I hope all is well. It's gonna be a little cooler this coming week. So hopefully you still find a way to get outside and enjoy the outside a little bit. Um, so what we're gonna be doing today is volume. I actually think volume is easier than surface area. For sure, I think it's easier. I guess the reason for me I think it's easier is because it's just one quick formula, as long as it has a matching top and bottom. So you have to make sure you're looking at the top and at the bottom. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and give you that formula. So the volume is going to be equal to, if it has a matching top and bottom, is capital B times H. Okay, so what in the world is capital B? Capital B is equal to the area of the base. Now, I know that you guys on this one were told that volume is equal to height. And your teachers are right that the volume of that figure is length times width times height. But if you look at this figure, if you look at the length and the length is 4 and the width is 6. So then your height is 2. And guess what the area of the base is? The area of the base is 4 times 6, and then you'd multiply by 2. So this one should be very simple. You guys have been doing ones like this since, I don't know, a couple of years. So for this one, your area is going to be 4 times 6, which is the area of the base, and then we're going to multiply times 2. All right, so for this one, you just take 4 times 6, which is 24, times 2, which is 48. So it's 48 meters cubed. Because it is 3 dimensions, length is 1 dimension, width is a second dimension, height is a third dimension, or area of the base is already 2 dimensions, so time height would be a third dimension. So all of your volume problems in today's assignment are going to be cubed. As you can see for this, they already got it started for you, prompted meters cubed. Okay, on to the next one. I might actually be under 15 minutes. We'll see. We'll see. All right, miracles happen. Okay, so this next one, once again, our volume formula is going to be area of the base. So it's capital B, not little b. That's how you know the difference. Times the height. So it doesn't matter if it's an oblique rectangular prism or not, as long as the top and the bottom match. And as you can see on this problem, the top and the bottom match. So here's your top and here's your bottom, and they match. All right, so the area of the base is just 7 times 9. So then we're going to have the area of the base, which is 9 times 7, and then we're going to multiply by the height, which is 8. I don't know what that is without a calculator. So hang on, let me grab my phone. So 9 times 7 times 8 is 504. So that is going to be 504 meters cubed. Okay, we'll be on to the next one. Okay, now for this one, it has to have a matching top and bottom. So if you look at this, the matching top and bottom, the base is not 8 times 10. So when you do the area of the base times the height, it has to have a matching top and bottom. So in this case, the back of the triangle and the front of the triangle are your bases. So those are your bases, and they match. So when they match, we can do the area of the base times the height. So what is the area of this base? The base is the triangle. So the rectangular bottom is not the base because it doesn't have a matching top. So it's going to be the front and the back versus the top and the bottom because there is no top. So it's the front and the back are the matching bases. All right, so then how do you find the volume? Well, the volume of that triangle, what's the area of a triangle? So the area of a triangle is 1/2 times little b times h. So there's a difference between big B and little b. All right, so it's going to be 1/2 times base, which is 8, times the height times 7, and then you're going to multiply that whole thing times 10. All right, so then we're going to do that shouldn't, that I don't need to calculate for that. So half of 8 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 times 10 is 280 centimeters cubed. Okay, all right. Ooh, record time. Okay, next. Ooh, okay. So again, we need a matching top and bottom. So our matching top and bottom, so your volume is the area of the base times the height. So this right here is your base. Okay, and that is your base. So that is your capital B. And then this is your height. Okay, all right. So we need to find the area of that. So I'm actually going to break that up into two separate parts. So this is also part, that other one is also part of your base. So this whole thing is your base, but I'm going to break it up into two separate parts. Okay, so that is going to be, let's see. So this part is 7 times, oops, you can't see what I'm pointing. This is 7 times 5. So this part right here is 35. And then this part right here is, here's a 6. Oops, you can't see. Here's 6 minus 1. So this part right here is 5. And 5 times 3 is 3. So the volume is the area of your base, which is 38, times your height. Your height is 3, so times 3. So I'm going to take 38 times 3. I don't want to do that in my head right now. 114. So that is 114 yards cubed. All right, and if I ever make a mistake in these videos, let me know, because then I can change it on the hard notes that I'm sending out to you guys. So, all right, last one. Crazy fast. All right, so this one, this is the same thing. The volume of this is still the area of the base times the height. So I got to put dimensions in here. So I'm going to make this dimension, I don't know, 10. And I'm going to make this dimension, the radius is 7. So the height is equal to 10, and the radius is equal to 7. It's supposed to be a 7. Okay, so once again, it's the same thing. The volume is equal to the area of the base times the height. Okay, so what is the area of the base? The area of the base, that's a circle. So what is the area of a circle? Well, that's pi r squared. So this is the top and this is the bottom. All right, so what is pi r squared? So it's pi times 7 squared. And then you multiply by the height, which is 10. And that would be your volume of a cylinder. All right, that's it. Record time, 8 minutes, 7 seconds. All right, have a wonderful weekend if you're an A day. Have a wonderful week, because you're not going to see this till Monday if you're a B day. All right, take care, all. Miss you. Bye.